Alright, y'all, so I'm actually just sitting here editing a video, and the tuner came. I mean, that's just wonderful. This bad boy. Yeah, that. Oh, fucking yes! Dude, my fucking, oh my god, my lowering kit didn't come. These better be stickers, bro. Bro. My lowering kit didn't come with stickers, and I was so fucking pissed. Oh my god. Fuck. Anyhow, here's our $400 fucking SCT tuner. Oh, dude, we got stickers. That's fucking great. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. Okay, anyhow, so let's open this up. Let me finish editing my video. We'll get into this. What do we got here? Alright, hold on. Okay, hold on, guys. Real quick, I actually want to see if there's anything else in the box. Yeah, I think there's a charger, or not the charger, but the cable. I think that's in here, so one sec. It is! Motherfucker, let's go. That shit's going on the car. SCT. Let's fucking go, baby. Okay, she's empty. So, we got 2 fucking stickers, bro. Let's go. That's fucking what a dub. I mean, we got this cool tuner too, I guess. But, you know, the stickers. No, but really, though, I'm excited about this. So it looks like we have the OBD2 plug-in here. And this looks like it's for a computer plug-in, I believe. And then you can hook that up to a computer. I believe that's what that's for. Let me go ahead and check out this other stuff. Some of you guys might enjoy this. Let me just... Oh yeah, super satisfying. Okay, so yeah, you plug it up in here, and then this is for updating it. So you plug this into a computer or into a wall charger, according to section 4 in this. So we're going to just go ahead and read this some more, check it out on how to program the vehicle, and then we'll get started on that. Okay, so we are in the car now. The tuner there we go. Tuner is hooked up. Now, these are helpful. These will clear my check engine light. This will clear my check engine light, but it will come back up. This we need to play around with, but this should be able to write the check engine light off. So there's a special tuning software that tuning shops have, and basically it's called writing it, and you can tell your ECM, hey, there's no EGR. You can uncheck the box that says there's an EGR on this vehicle, and then this fault will not pop up because it knows, hey, there's no EGR on this car. So that's the goal. We're gonna go ahead and play around with it. We gotta select the vehicle. So let's do that. So here we are. We'll grab our scanner, press the center button, go down here, center button, Now we're gonna have to see here. Turn the vehicle's ignition key to the on position, or push and hold the engine start button for 2 to 3 seconds. Press continue or configuration when ready. Configuration will ignore. So let's go ahead and cut the car. Accessory, 2 to 3 seconds. Continue. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and find the car. So after scrolling through the options a couple times, I think that we're going to select Ford Gas 07 and prior years. Let's see what we got here. Just gonna scan, Okay, let's see if we can start it. Fucking A. So we're just playing around with it. Let me go back real quick. So I just went to down. Nope, excuse me, so I believe left or right would do that. Yep, so left or right is gonna bring you to this screen. And then you can just select the gauge layout and then a bunch of different options. So let me look at these real quick and then I'll get back with you. So real quick, here's one of them. I'm actually just gonna click through them with you. So there's one of them. There's another one. Another one. And if you know what you're looking at, all of these will be helpful to you. Some of these will be less important. So we will, just kind of decide which ones are more important. And then I think it just repeats them all running that way. So we're back inside. I needed to connect to the Wi-Fi. I was having problems remembering my passwords, so it's now hooked up through the computer or the charger block port at the bottom, updating, and we're figuring this out. Okay, so this is just asking if I want to update the SCT Tuner software. I do. So boom. We'll go ahead and update it. This is our first screen that's popped up. Okay. Let's figure this out. Alright, so let's see here. Boom, boom. And boom, now we can go into this, we can tune it. So I'm gonna look through this real quick. Okay, so real quick, I changed the fuel octane. Yes, I run 87. Gas is expensive right now, and I also drive a V6. I apologize for offending some of you. Skip through most of this. I don't know enough about any of that stuff yet. I don't know if that actually would do anything. You can turn it off or you can have it on normal. That's it. I'm gonna leave it alone because yes. Leave these alone. If we do end up changing the spider gears in the back, we can do that there. If you get a different size tire, rim setup, do that there. This. Okay. And then perfect. And then this. My bad, y'all. I don't want to be pushing my car that hard, so that's what I'm going to do there. I'll go ahead and approve that for now. Spaceship. It's maybe been like a minute and a half, 2 minutes total. I mean, really quick. So this process hasn't really been too long since I got it updated. It's been about, another 2-3 minutes with this. Bam, done, boom. So unfortunately, guys, this is the only thing that we're going to be able to run when you buy the SCT tuner. So you can either do stock tuning or you can do the preloaded tunes, which is whatever SCT did for this. You can notice a difference. All I changed was 87 octane. And then these, you don't really need a bigger mouth or a throttle body. You can watch the science behind those videos. You're pushing RPMs to see a difference. The injectors, we don't need that yet. But I really expected there to be like a cold air intake, and I honestly might. I'll throw up on the screen real quick some tunes that you can buy for this, for the V6 Mustang. And then also, I could probably say it's an 80 millimeter. I don't know. That might be smaller than the stock. I'm not sure. So if it's bigger, you can go that. If you got a cold air intake and you go, okay, yeah, maybe I want to say, okay, yeah, I'm sucking in more air or whatever. But I didn't really play around with any of this stuff because I'd rather just buy a tune for it. The scanner doesn't actually let me tune the EGR out. Bummed about that. Again, bummed about the fact that I can't select some of the other things like I've seen on some other cars. But for another $150, you can buy some more tunes. So I'll do some videos of this week. Sorry guys, I forgot what they were called. I'll upload some shorts later this week. And you guys can just kind of see what this is like, see if you want to get it for your car. The other thing is you'll see the most benefit with the tune. I'll go ahead and throw it back up on the screen. And you'll probably see the most benefit there. I changed the gauges around. I don't know if this is what I'll be running. I don't know where I want to put this. I couldn't find a holder online. I found 2 on Amazon, and both of them had crappy reviews. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. But yeah, I do want to hook this up for gauges. Yeah. So there you go. I figured this video was going to have the most of my subscribers watching, so I wanted to say thanks for 30 subscribers. That's dope. Might not be a lot to some people, but you get 30 people up in a room, that's a good amount of people. So if this video helps you out, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment. I'm trying to get better at filming, you know, get my own style. Let me know what you guys want to see, anything I can do better. Real quick, I want to give a shout out to this person. It's a pretty long name. I haven't forgotten about the WinStar swap. I still got the intake, all my other parts. This tuner is a part of it. The 3 custom tunes that I threw up on the screen are also going to be a part of it. I do not want the car to run weird. I have the HVAC heater tube and another line for the heat coming, so I will have a second HVAC heater tube I can play around with. I can either bend it, I can cut it, I can do whatever with it, but we're slowly getting our extra parts for this WinStar swap to go together, and then it will go together. I don't want this to be all like hanky jank. We need like a couple extra parts. We're hitting winter season. I got to figure out what I'm going to do. I think that I want to get a tent for the car, and I can at least be, you know, out of the weather as far as the rain. But I'm not sure. I want to be able to keep producing videos for you guys throughout the wet season, the cold season. So I'll figure that out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Peace.